We've all heard the headlines. AI is taking over jobs. Automation will replace millions of workers. But is it really true? Can AI actually replace your job? Or is there more to the story? Today, we're diving deep into the truth about AI and the future of work. Let's break it all down, fast and simple. There's a lot of fear around AI replacing human jobs. And while AI is changing the way we work, it's important to separate fact from fiction. The reality? AI is not here to completely replace workers. It's here to enhance human capabilities and automate repetitive tasks. Let's be honest, some jobs will be affected more than others. Jobs that involve highly repetitive, predictable tasks are the most at risk. Think about industries like manufacturing, data entry, and customer service chatbots. For example, AI-powered robots are already handling basic assembly line work, and chatbots can now answer customer inquiries 24/7 without needing a human agent. But here's the catch. While some jobs may be automated, AI also creates new opportunities. There are certain skills that AI struggles with, and these jobs are much harder to replace. For example, careers that require creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and human interaction are much safer. Think about artists, therapists, teachers, entrepreneurs, and roles that require complex problem solving. AI might assist, but it can't replace human creativity, empathy, and decision making. Instead of replacing jobs, AI is actually changing how we work. Businesses are using AI to automate repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on higher level, more valuable work. For example, AI can handle data analysis, scheduling, or routine emails, freeing up time for humans to work on innovation, strategy, and creative thinking. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's also creating brand new industries and careers. Some jobs that didn't exist 10 years ago are now in high demand, like AI specialists, data scientists, automation engineers, and even prompt engineers. And as AI continues to evolve, new career paths will open up that we can't even imagine yet. So, how can you future-proof your career in an AI-driven world? Here are 3 things you can do right now to stay ahead. 1. Learn how to use AI as a tool. Instead of fearing AI, learn how to use it to your advantage. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AI automation platforms can make you more efficient. 2. Develop uniquely human skills. Focus on skills I can't replicate, like creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. 3. Stay adaptable. The job market is always evolving. The best way to stay ahead is to keep learning and adapting to new trends. The future of work isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans working with AI. AI isn't here to take over. It's here to augment human capabilities, making work more efficient, creative, and productive. So instead of fearing AI, it's time to embrace it, learn from it, and use it to your advantage. Now it's your turn. Do you think AI will replace jobs, or will it create more opportunities? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more insights on AI and the future of work.